No, that might be personality.
Hi, it's Junk Journaling Jen, and I'm back. And today I have a very fun thing. So I just need to film this, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. So here we go. Ready? Here we go. There we go. So there is the first part. Okay, and I'll be right back. Oops. How can we do this? Okay. And then that's going to go into this. And we're going to open this. And then these are all the little. And then we're going to put this back on here. And we're going to go here. And then that's going to come out. And then it's going to go hope. Into okay, so that's where we're at. Okay, and then I know I'm doing a reel, so that kind of gives you an idea of how I did it. I am gonna make these things with you guys, but I just want to get the reel done for them real quick, and we're going to decoupage it together. Okay, so hang tight. Okay, so we're having a tea party. And I want to just, I thought I'd set it up with you guys. So I just made myself a little, because it's tea time. Remember when you were a little girl, you loved tea time? So that's going to be my Instagram post. There's some flowers. Here is, this is what we're going to do. Remember I had all those tea bags, right? So we're going to hang those from the teapot. Actually, sorry guys, let me give you a little bit broader view here. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Of course, you get them tangled for the video, right? goodness, you guys, these are so nice and neat. Oh, and then that one came off. Okay. Okay. Those got so tangled, guys. It turned into a serious, serious hot mess. So that one goes there. This little shorty goes in here. Oh, it's tight. And then, oh, this one goes here. That's right. This one goes here. That one goes there. We're just gonna set one of these out here, I think. I'm not sure. And I don't know if we're using the tray or not, so we'll see about that too. Okay. Let's do it like this. Let's do part of the tray. How about that? Yeah. Be a nice look. Flowers there. That there. Okay, how about that? That's better because then we'll have our bouquet there. This is one. I know, you guys have all this little stuff. And I think I did put our glue back here. Okay, so just one quick second. I'm gonna glue this. Little glue there. And then, oop, dropped the tea bag. Okay, here we go. I just did like that. You know, mend it together a little. We'll put that hanging out of our teapot. How about that? Actually, we'll put it on the side of the hummingbird. Because I think hummingbirds represent something. We'll have to look it up. I always like looking up stuff. Okay. What do we think, guys? I know I'm futzing, but I just thought I would kind of show you how I'm setting up for this one here. Okay, so let's see. Let's take this one out. And what does this tag say? Joy. Oh, that looks so cool. And let's take this leafy green one out. Now this one says joy. Look, we're going to change it to hope though. Okay. I'm going to change that one to hope. See, this one has to be hope. What is this one? It is. It's hope. So hope. And that's our coffee pot. So we're going to put this so you can still see it. Oh, that looks good. Okay. I'm just going for it, you guys. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. That one says hope. This one says joy. And then let's put this here. What do we think? I think we like it. Oh my goodness, you guys. We wouldn't need that. We would need this, but we wouldn't need tweezers, that's for sure. Okay, so we'll put that back there. This is our little boom. put a little more of our, I'm not going to light the candles though. My tray. Hold on, I'm going to use my tray. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, we're going to use that in a second. So let's, oh, actually, that's fine. You guys can't see it, so it looks good. That looks really good. Okay. Yay. That's it, guys. That's the setup. Okay. So we're going to go from, it went, whoa. That. What do we think? I think it's great. Bye.
No, that might be